Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I figured, you know what? Why not show my Boxyluxe? Because I've been seeing from few videos and we all getting different things. Like before it was like the majority would kind of get the same thing. And I'm like, wait a minute. We really seriously like maybe getting one or two things the same and a lot of different things that I didn't even know about. I didn't even know they had different variations. And I'm still clueless as to where those variations are. I wonder if it's this little number here. Mine says 27. You know, I have to ask my friend. So anyway, this is the BoxyCharm Whimsy box, Boxyluxe. Okay, Jennifer. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can just to show you guys. There's things here I'm gonna try, but things that I am actually gonna put in a giveaway. So I'm not gonna swatch and I'm not gonna try because I don't want to go and give somebody something that's been swatched. Some people don't care, which bless y'all, but there's people that do, and I understand y'all, so I'm not gonna do it. But I know that like we are, you know, reviewers. That's what we do. We're supposed to review and show you, but I'm sure you've seen 100 billion people swatch it, so it'll be okay. So let's start with the first one on the list, which is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales. This is Little Briar Rose Palette. This is real cute. I ain't gonna lie, this is really cute. It brings me back memories. Like part of me doesn't want to gift it. This is gonna be one of the ones I'm gonna gift just because I think it's so cute to display. But I do agree with a friend of mine, it is very bulky. Like they could have done a little smaller. It's true, girl, they could have. I don't know what they didn't. But let's go ahead and open it. Inside it's got all these beautiful colors. I mean, these are gorgeous, I ain't gonna lie. But I did see a friend of mine using it live, and it was not cute. It was not cute. It comes with a mirror as well, so you could see yourself. You know, you could be like, let me get a brush. So it's not bad. It's beautiful, but like I said, I'm not gonna go and mess with it because, you know, somebody else could definitely get a use out of it. The next one in mine is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I'm a little on the F about this. On the fence about this because I actually do love this brand. They make some amazing skincare products. So it depends. I have to look at how many oils I have, which I think I have quite a few. So I might drop it into a giveaway. I have giveaways on my Instagram a few times a month. I actually am doing now random flash giveaways. So it's basically, if you watch my stories, they're gonna pop up on my stories, and they're only for 24 hours. And right now, even though when I put this up, it'll probably be done, but I'm doing like a foundation one. So you tell me your shade and I'll send it to you. All right, so the next one is the Ciate Marbled Illuminating Blusher. Let me see if I can open this. Okay, good. Here's the packaging. It's so cute. I actually own a few things from Ciate. Oh, I don't like the look of that. There was like a little bit of the powder there. I'm afraid to open you. You know how... Oh, Jesus, they make... Okay, no, she's fine. She is okay. She made it. How you doing, girl? Okay, this one is Dusk. I'm actually going to probably keep this because it is really pretty. And part of me wants to swatch. You know what? Swatching away. Swatching away. Oh, that's pretty. I went too high though. Like, come on, Jennifer. Down here. There we go. That is very pretty, actually. Just blend it. I'm sorry, I'm not flicking y'all off. But that's in there too. I should give you prices. The Storybook is $55. Expensive. I want to say it out. Kathleen says it, but I'm going to mess it up. That's expensive. No, I can't do it. The Elemis facial oil is $79. And the Ciate is $26. Okay, they're a little pricey. What's the next one? Oh, this one is I'm actually keeping because I love facial cleansers. And this is from Fresh, the Soy Face Cleanser. I have a few products from them that I love and I keep in my shower. So I'm definitely going to keep this because, you know, girl needs a clean face all the time. I'm trying to figure out where to put this stuff. All right, the next one on the... Oh, Jennifer. This is $38, guys. 30. I'm hungry. That's what's going on. I need to eat. The next one is from Too Faced. Too Faced. This is called Cool Girl, and I'm on the fence about this one too. It is a gorgeous color, but I kid you not, like you see up there and up there, and over here. And then over there, I have a lot of lipsticks. This is a gorgeous color. Like I said, I'm on the fence about it. This one goes for $21. I do own a few from Too Faced, and I do love their lipsticks. I love the products, to be honest with you. Who doesn't? The next one is the setting spray, which is In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist, and this is $32. And I'm also a little bit on the fence about this. I saw my friend use it. She actually did enjoy it. I don't know how it lasted throughout the day, so I have to ask her. It's like Project Beauty. For a second I was like, what? But this looks pretty good. It's supposed to wake you up. It's supposed to take away the dull and tired, stressed out complexion. And it has 2 ingredients here that she was talking about, the witch hazel and aloe. Basically hydrates and the witch hazel clarifies, but for me witch hazel goes and you're up. So did I say how much this is? $32. I think I did, but just in case, it's better to like say it a few times so you guys hear it. Next one is Kat Von D. Remember how popular she used to be? Now it's like you hear the name and you think just terrible things, and I feel so sad because I don't ever want to think negative of anybody. But this is her Dagger tattoo liner. I actually have one of her liners. This one is like a brush tip with a bit of an angle. I haven't tried it yet. I am going to try it because I'm curious about it. I'm actually opposite of what my friend was saying. She was like, I don't like felt tip. I like brushes. I'm the other way. I like felt tip versus brushes. Now I like brushes when they're first fresh, but after they've been used for a bit, they tend to like spread out, and then my beautiful line doesn't become beautiful. Even though these wrinkles are something else. That right there is $20. The next one is the QMS Medicosmetics Lip Line Corrector. My God, that is a full one. This little boy, this little bad boy right here goes for $200. Yes, stare at it. Stare at it. $200. My camera doesn't focus because it's a piece of caca, but it doesn't look bad, right? No, but it doesn't focus. See? I'm definitely giving this. Oh, this is a twisted tone. Okay, I see you. So I'm gonna try this out. Who doesn't want nice, delicious, voluptuous lips? Okay, it doesn't give you voluptuous lips, but I was like, is it liquidy? No, it's creamy. But it does. Might as well squeeze it on. I probably right now just squeeze in a little bit. I'm probably gonna get rid of like maybe $15 worth of product. Okay, it's like a milky consistency. And basically, it's supposed to help smooth out the lines in your lips so they look a little more like a little smoother. It feels nice. Doesn't smell like nothing. Smells like cream. You think it would have a nice smell at $200. All right. The next one, just with this one alone, you could buy like, I don't know, 5 or 6 Boxyluxe, maybe more. No more. I can't do math. Probably like 10 of them. Let's just go with that. Let's go with 10. The next one I actually already own, so I'm definitely gonna gift this out. This is called Rituals, the Ritual Sakura Shower Gel. And it smells really good. This is made with organic rice milk and cherry blossoms. And I actually been using this in my shower the last couple days. And it does. It smells good. It comes out like a clear liquid and then turns into a foam. And I like it. I ain't gonna lie. This one's only $9.50, so it's not bad. But definitely gonna be put into a giveaway. I did not add everything because, like, I'm doing this on a whim. I'm making sure there's nothing hiding in there. I'm doing this on a whim, but I'm going to add it all up and put it, in one of these 2 little corners and let you guys know. How do I feel about this? Believe it or not, there's a few things here that I'm very, excited about. And there's some other things that I'm like, hey, I could at least gift it to somebody, do giveaways, Like I said, I'm very active on Instagram. That is where my biggest following is. So go follow me there. But that is all for this Boxyluxe. I will see what else comes in the next box, right? Let's see. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button and that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. And like always, remember that there is a positive in every negative, and you guys take care and have a great one. Bye. Toodaloo.